This is the next generation of gardening nozzles based on the mechanics of the human body. No unnecessary strength is needed for using this nozzle. One click to start, another one to stop. 2 fingers are enough to operate the slim lever. Now you can water for long periods without hand fatigue. Non-slip soft rubber elements on handle and lever ensure optimum grip even with wet hands. The oval-shaped handle fits perfectly in every hand. The water flow rate can be adjusted easily with one hand. Takagi.